Okay, welcome back again in today's mathematics class. So in previous episode I have taught you how to find the HCF by different type of methods. So today now I am going to teach you new lesson, that is LCM. So here the question is find the LCM by prime factorization method. So here also what you have to do is you will get the particular question number, product number. You have to find the factor first. So now number A28 and 32. How to find the LCM of this number by using prime factorization method. So 28, you break down this all number by divide. So let's take 2. Divide 28 by 2. 2 how many times it goes? 2 14 are 28. 2 14 are 28. Now remaining 14, again you can break it or divide by 2 only. 2 7 are 14. Now this remaining 7 we cannot divide or break down by any other number. So what you have to do, you have to select the similar number, like 7 is here, so 7 ones are 7. Now whatever the numbers are here in the right column, the factor numbers, so 2 2 7 are the factor, so 2 2 7 you will write here, 2 into 7. Now again similarly next number, that is 35. Now break down this 35. Now with the help of 2 times table we cannot break down. Even if you try to solve by 3 also, what we can do, just you go through rough. 3 ones are 3, 3 minus 3 0, 5. So 3 ones are 3. So here what you are getting? You are getting remainder. So we cannot break down this 35 by 3 also. Now if you go to 4, in 4 times table also you will not get 35. It goes up to 32 only. Now when you go for 5, in 5 times table you will get 35. 5 7s are 35. That means 5 is the factor of 35. Now remaining is 7. So 7 we cannot break down by any other number. So you write as it is, 7 ones are 7. That means only 5 and 7 is the factor of 35. So you write this 5 into 7. 5 into 7. Now after finding all the factors, you will see now what you are doing prime factorization method. So here what you have to do, you have to just make just circle if the number is similar of both the given product number, like here which is similar, 7 and 7. So you mark it like this. After that, now to find the answer, therefore LCM of 28 and 35, 28 and 35 equals to, now 2 is here, we don't find 2, but you have to write 2 here. So we don't find any other 2, only single 2 you will find here. So this single 2 you will write here. Now again what we see, the next number 2. So 2 also we don't find here. So but you have to write it. If there is 2, suppose if the factor, if you find 2 here also, then what we can write? We can write only single 2 over here. But if there is no any other number, similar number, then we have to repeat it. That means 2 we have to write it again. Now 7 and 7, so both are same. That means you can write 1 7 over here. 7. Though it is similar, that's why we can write only 1 7. Now what is remain here? 5 is remain here. So again they write down this 5 over here. After writing all the numbers, multiply all the given numbers, like 2 2s are 4. Now multiply 4 into 7. 4 7s are 28. 28 into 5. So how much you will get? 28 into 5. 5 8s are 40. Carry over 4. 5 2s are 10 plus 4, 40. That means how much you will get? 2 2s are 4. 4 7s are 28. 28 5s are 140. So this is your answer. So now I am going to solve number B. Here you will find 3 products number. In previous number I have given only 2 product numbers. So here you have to solve it for 3 given product number. So 36. So whatever the work which I am doing over here, that also you have to show. If you do not show, then I could not make out that whether you have understood or not. So, and it will be easy for you also. So 36, let's break down this 36 by 2 times, because 36, 6 is the even number. So we can break down by 2. 2 how many times? 2, 18 the 36. Now 18 is also an even number. So we can break down by 2. 2 9 the 18. Now 9 is odd number. So we will try with 3. So 3, 3 is a 9. And at last this 3 will go by 3 1 the 3. So how much you got? The factor 2 2 3 3. So you write all the factor over here. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now let's take another number, that is 48. So 48, break down. Again this 48 is a even number. So break down by 2 only. 2 2 is a 4. 2 2 is a 4, 2 4 is a 8. Now 24 is also an even number. So break down by 2. 2 1 is a 2, 2 2 is a 4. Now since this 12 is also an even number, so break down by 2 times. 2 6 is a 12. 6 is also an even number. So break down by 2, 2 3 is a 6. Now at last 3 is remain here. So it goes only by 3 1 is a 3. So these are the factors. Write down all the factors over here. 2 2 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now since there is 3 numbers, so we will solve this 96 also. So break down this 96. Again 96 is an even number, 6 is even number, so break down by 2. 2 4 is 8, 2 8 is 16. That means 248 is 96. Now break down this again by 2, because 48 is even number. So 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8. Let me remind you, whenever the numbers, if you want to know whether it is even or odd, just go through this right side number. That means the second number, not the first number, second number, you go through it. If that number is even, then you can break down by 2. So here 4. So 4 is even number, so we can break down by 2. How many times? 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. Now 12 is also even number. 2 6 is 12. 6 is also even number. 2 3 is 6. Now remaining is 3 only. So 3 1 is 3. So write down all the factors in the same manner. So 2 into 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 3. Now after writing all the factors, you go with this first row number. So here 2 is here. So again here is also 2. So here is also 2. So make a circle. After making circle, write on here, therefore LCM of 36, 48, 96. 36, 48 and 96 is equal to, so 2, 2, 2. So all the numbers are same. So we write down only one single 2. Now again go for second number. So here is also a 2, here is also a 2, here is also a 2. So make it circle and write single 2. Now go for next number 3. So here is 3, here is also a 3, and here is also a 3. So make this one single number. So we can write only 1 3 over here into. Now this remaining 3 is here. Now no any other 3 are left out. So we have to write this 3 also here into. Now which is remain here? So we have understood up to here. Now see here. Now remaining this 2 and 2 is here. So we can make it 1 2. Again similarly, again this another 2 is here, so we can make it 1 2. Now left out is only this 2, so you have to write this 2 also over here. So after writing all these numbers, multiply it serial wise, like 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36, 36 2 ja 72, 72 2 ja 144, and 144 2 ja 288. So how much you will get the answer? 288. So this is your LCM of given particular number. Okay, see here again I am giving you number C also. Why I am giving you? Because sometimes you will get 3-digit numbers also. In previous A and B I gave you only 2-digit number, that is 2 numbers, but here you will get 3-digit number. So similar method you will follow. First you will find all the factors of 118. So factors of 180 to how many times it was. Now take both the number. 18 is here. Suppose if you forget 0, then there will be only 18. So 2 how many times goes 18? 2 9 is 18. Now remaining 0 is here. So 2 how many times goes 0? 2 0 is 0. That means 290 is 180. Now since 0 is an even number, we can again break down this by 2. So if you forget about this 0, 9 is only here. So 2 how many times it goes? 2 4 is 8. And when you subtract 9 minus 1, that means, oh sorry, 9 minus 8, you will get 1. So 1 remain here. So 1 and 0 10. So 2 how many times? 2 5 is 10. Or if you multiply 55 into 2, 2 5 is 10, 0 carry 1, 2 4 is 8 plus 1, 9, 90. That means 2 45 is 90. So 2 45 is 90. Again 45 is here. Now this 5 is not an even number, it is an odd number, so we cannot break down by 2. So go for next number, that is 3. Suppose if you want to find out whether it will go or break by 3 or not, just do in rough, divide this 45 by 3. 3 1 is 3, subtract it 1, 5, 3 5 is 15. So remainder what you will get? 0. That means 3 15 is 45. So you can write down 3 15 is 45. Now 15 is an odd number, so try with 3 only. So whether it will go or not, let's see. 3 how many times? 3 5 is 15. Now remaining last number, that is 5. So 5 will go only one time, that means 5 1 is 5. So these are the factors of 180. So write all the factors. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So these are the factors of 180. Now find the factor of 210. So 210. So since 0 is an even number, we can break down by 2. So just forget about this 1 and 0. 2 how many times it goes? 2 1 is 2. Now 1 is here and 0 is here. Now for your convenience, what you can do, just divide this. 2 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 0, bring down this 1. Now 2 how many times it goes? Only 0 times. 2 0 is 0. Subtract it 1. Now bring down this 0 over here. So 10. 2 how many times? 2 5 is 10. So that means 2 into 105. 2 into 105. That means when you multiply 105 with 2, you will get 210. Now again 105. So 5 is not an even number, so go for 3. So what we can do first, you just divide 105 by 3. Now 1 cannot go, so you have to take both the number 10. So 3 3 is 9. Now 10 minus 9, 1. Bring down 15. 3 5 is 50. So how many times? 35 times. 3 35 is 105. 3 35 is 105. Now 35, it cannot be break down or it cannot divide by 3. Even with 4 also we cannot break 35. Now if you go for 5 times table, then yes, 5 how many times? 5 7 is 35. Now at last remaining is only 7. So 7 cannot be broken down by any other number. So only by 7 only. That means 7 1 is 7. So these are the factors of 210. So write all the factors: 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Now after writing all the factors, you see whether the numbers are common or not. So in first row 2 is here, so 2 is also here. So this is 1 2. Therefore LCM of 180 and 210 equals to, so these 2 and 2 are similar, so write only 1 2 into, now 2 is here, no other 2 we cannot find, we cannot see any other 2, so you have to write 1 2 also here, add one more 2. Now here is 3 and here is also 3, so they are both common, so make it only 1 3 over here, into, now here is 3 but we don't find 3 over here, even then we have to add this 3 here, into, now 5 is here, here is also 5, highlight this number and write only one single 5, and last the remaining number is only 7. So after completing these numbers, you just multiply serial wise. So multiply it 2 into 2, that means 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Now 36 5s are, how much you will get? You just do in rough, 36 5 times, multiply it, 5 6 are 30, 0 carry over 3, 5 3 are 15 plus 3 18, 180. That means 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 5s are 180. Now 180 into 7, 180 into 7, 7 zeros are 0, 7 8s are 56, 7 1s are 7 plus remaining 5. How much? So how much you got? 1260. So this is your answer. So I think you have understood what I taught you today's class. Now I am giving you the homework. Number A, B and C. You follow the video, try to understand it. If you do not understand, then please call me through WhatsApp or in my personal contact number. In next class I am going to teach you again the same LCM by another method. Thank you.